What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin, and today I am taking a look at another BMW M340i Touring. We cannot have enough of this, the M340i. It's just maybe, especially in a touring version, the best car you can get for your money nowadays. I mean, it's just a 3 Series, but it has the best engine ever made, probably, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm a bit biased, I have to say, a bit of a BMW fanboy, but there is a lot to be fanboy about, because wow, especially in this BMW individual Dravit Grey, this 340i Touring is such a special appearance, I think. This is 2022 model, so just before the facelift, but I have a 2019 model, so 3 years older, and it's a bit different here and there. So they did subtle changes without calling it a facelift or an LCI or whatever. And there's another addition, a Manhart tuning box on this car. So this all looks the same to me. Yes, it does. They got rid of the cerium grey accents, because with my car, yeah, the badge still is cerium grey, but the exhaust tips are black. We don't have cerium grey mirror caps anymore, and we have a black kidney grille. But I guess these are M Performance optional extras. We are on a winter set, but quite a decent winter set. I have the same set, and this is why you get the touring version. There's just a lot of space for your kids, your dogs, and their crap, and your bolts. Huh, BMW build quality. Okay. And another great addition, look, quite a classic feature of the touring versions of BMW is this. I use this a lot. If you're packed with groceries and you just have to get one thing and you don't want to have everything falling out when you open it, you use this. It's such a handy feature. So let's go check it out under the bonnet, because we have that beautiful B58 engine, but it's accompanied by a Manhart MH-tronic performance box. So this box is connected to a few sensors, it gives it certain values, and the car's thinking, okay, I must do a bit more boost. That's why you get a bit more power. Another difference with my car is the fact that this is a mild hybrid, and that's why we have that purple cable running. That also means, man, I've driven this car a lot in various shapes and forms, that we have a top speed of 243 GPS. Go fix that, BMW. That's stupid. Maybe they did with the LCI model, but we haven't tested that yet, so let's hope they fix that. Because the top speed of my car GPS is 257. So that's quite a big difference. So BMW individual paint. Stock we have 374 horsepower, 500 Newton meters, and well, we have 2 claims by Manhart on their website, 470 and 500 horsepower. I'm not sure which one this is. Let's call it 470 and see if it will live up to that number. So as you might know, I did a race chip tune, quite a similar box to this, with my car with 460 horsepower, and it was equally fast as an Alpina B3, so quite impressive. So this has to be even faster than that, especially when we use that 500 horsepower number. So let's just go and check it out. We've done this a lot, so I'm not going to bother with any of the little things. One little thing I want to talk about. With my car, there is an M340i badge right here, but they ditched that feature. How that is so funny. When did they do that? There has to be a person at BMW that said, You know guys, if we ditch the M340i badge here and just put in a generic M badge, it'll save us €5 per car. Let's do that! Good idea! Gunther. It's stuff like that just seems so stupid to me. Okay, we have the extended leather pack, which I'm really jealous of. Really beautiful on top of the dash. This is just plastic with my car. And we have the black wooden trim, quite original for an M340i. Let's go and start it up. Put it into gear. Let's go for sport mode. And let's go for the mode that I don't like, which is Sport Plus mode. Because with my car, it's just stupid. It's too harsh. The steering is comically heavy. It's just ridiculous. It's like you have two flat front tires. But I was amazed by the fact that this is totally different in Sport Plus. That's really funny. It's a lot better actually. So they really developed and improved on the M340i without telling anyone, basically. So good job, BMW. I really like that. So stock, this thing will do 4.6 seconds to 100 with launch control, which I will now be demonstrating. Why is this still here? Shouldn't be here. Let's close that up. It is quick. So that with that Manhart tuning box is a 4.1 to 100. So that is a good result. I do think the sound is still a bit absent. We did find a fix for that. If you go to autotop.nl.shop, you'll find the 200 cell downpipe that I currently have on my M340i. It's just a plug and play solution, so you just swap out the downpipes without doing any software or coding, and you just have an awesome sound that's never obnoxious or bad in any way. So it's the perfect mold for an M340i without the hassle of, you know, doing molds with your car. It's only upsides. So go check out the difference with my car in the top right corner. Now back to this. We do have a little more low down boost because this is the mild hybrid setup. So you can see that part of the dials getting blue at some times, and that means the mild hybrid system is just giving that little extra push. And now let's check out on the Autobahn what this will do 100 to 200 compared to mine, which was a 9.6. As I said, the exact same number as an Alpina B3 Touring. So this being 470, 500 horsepower, it should beat that. So I did all the testing when I got in the car, heated up the oil, and then I did my test, because with these B58 engines the problem is that the intake will overheat and it will not cool down. So your first run is always the fastest. Okay, let's slow down a bit and do a kick down right here. There we go. A lot of boost, really quite a bit more torquey than without the mild hybrid system. You can definitely notice. That's 200, 100 to 200 in just over 10 seconds. Right, so that is a bit disappointing, I have to say. I don't think the performance is really there. So Sven, maybe put this on a dyno and see what the actual horsepower number is. There's the speed limiter 253 on the speedo, so that's 243 GPS. Again, go fix that BMW. But what a lovely engine and what a lovely car this is. I absolutely love this. This for me is what BMW is all about. Having inline 6 cars that are just perfect for the family, relatively affordable, I like this better than an M3. Even though I'm absolutely in love with the M3 Touring, this for me is what BMW is about. Okay, let's go do a pork tool. A pork tool? That's called a barbecue. Let's do a torque pull. Full throttle, yeah. E-boost right there. I can definitely feel that kicking in. Yeah, that's lovely. That's just a single gear pull. Wow. Yeah, I really like this. You know, the performance is a bit lacking because you have that number 470, 500 horsepower, but yeah, if you're not focusing on the numbers, the driving experience is just perfect. I love this. So Sven actually was really excited getting that 200 cell downpipe on this car, because that really would add that bit of extra driving experience sound wise. And that's exactly the reason why we sell it. We are looking for perfect solutions for the cars we own ourselves, and if we have found one, we put it on the Autobahn.shop, and that's how people will know that it's a perfect solution and a perfect mod, and you can do that. So I tested out several downpipes and exhaust setups, and that was just the best. You can get the downpipes at Gijsbertse in Utrecht, near Utrecht, and have them installed over there if you're interested in one for your M340i, M440i, or if you have a different like 40i or BMW model and you're interested in one of these downpipes, go contact me, autotopnl@gmail.com, and we'll find the perfect solution for your BMW. I'm really interested in doing that. Nowadays these cars just need a bit of help getting some sound from them, and yeah, without it getting worse, the driving experience, you know, the comfort and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you Sven, thank you so much for lending me your beautiful M340i Touring, the best car in the world. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to our channel by clicking right here. Go check out this video or the playlist of POV reviews. Thank you guys, bye.